Why this brand?
Well, Bone is a leader in the industry as far as coming up with new compounds, chemicals for hardwood flooring.
What are the ingredients?
Well, it's composed mainly of water, but also some polymetric resin, some silica derivate, diethylene glycol, monoethylene ether, and polypropylene glycol. Actually, I'm sorry, it's propylene glycol.
Alright. And how can the bone and natural seal affect you when you're exposed to it for long periods of time?
It can cause skin irritations if it gets in your eyes, cause blindness maybe. So, yeah, we use gloves and respirators and
What are the long-term
eye protection.
What are the long-term side effects if exposed consistently?
Honestly, I really don't know any long-term side effects, but
Well, you said it was mostly water-based, so I
yeah.
wouldn't imagine that it could hurt you much.
I don't really know that yet. I'll tell you in 50 years.
And what happens if you accidentally ingest the finish?
Probably have to call poison control. Might have to have my stomach pumped.
Right.
You know.
And how is this applied?
It's applied with a cut-in pad and a roller. Just kind of evenly spread it throughout the entire floor.
And what's the purpose of it?
It is to create a barrier between the actual wood and the finish that we use, so that it doesn't alter the color of the wood.
And how long does it take to dry?
Recommended time for drying is about 2 hours, but if you let it dry overnight, it's probably best.
And when do you use it in the process of hardwood flooring?
We use it almost at the end. It's a step before finishing. So we sanded the floor, buffed it, vacuumed it, and that's when we apply it.
And why do you use it?
So that it doesn't change the color of the wood. A lot of old oil bases would amber up over time, making the wood yellow. So this product makes it not turn yellow.
Is it flammable?
No, I wouldn't think so, being water-based.
Alright. And what does it look like before and after it's dry?
While you're applying it, it does have a white tint to it, and once it soaks into the wood and dries, kind of
So
doesn't go so white. It kind of just blends in with the wood.
Does it go into like the pores of the wood?
Yeah, it
and
goes
sets?
into the grains.
Okay,
and
so
stuff.
it's not like a top coat to where you can like see and feel it.
No.
Okay.
I mean, it will feel smooth, but it's not rough enough.